I'm Rakshita and I'm back as promised. And this video is about the brand new launch of our Shooting Star series of the hyperhydrating gloss balms with the 3-in-1 benefits of hydrating, plumping, and leaving that glass shine finish that you need in a really good balm. And in this video, I'm also going to uncover like a good amount of details about this balm and why you need to have it. Let's get into it. These gloss balms come in 8 different shades which are very chic and very versatile. So let's get into each one of them one by one, and you guys are gonna love these. The details and the good part, which are the swatches that you guys are waiting for, I want to talk a little bit about the packaging. This comes in a very beautiful black and gold embossed box, which has Shooting Star written all over it and the hyperhydrating gloss balm. This is the balm that you guys have been waiting for. It comes in a black and a gold embossed matte finish that feels really good to touch, and it has a red sort of like a dispenser button, which I'm going to show you in a while how do you use. And then when you uncap it, this is how it looks. And this shade is called the Cosmic Crush, and you're going to press this particular button to push the balm, as you can see. Okay, now let's talk about the ingredients of it. So this balm is very ingredient focused, and I'll tell you why. One of the ingredients, which is also my personal favorite, is jojoba oil. Now jojoba oil has antioxidant properties, so it can help form a protective layer around your lips and also helps with really dry and chapped lips. Another ingredient is shea butter, and as you guys know, shea butter is known for its enriching properties, and it also helps with the plumpness and the extra moisture that your lips might need, which is going to last all day long. Other ingredients include the sweet almond oil, the kokum, the mango seed extract, and the other fruit extracts, which makes this balm a perfect balance of all the holy grail ingredients a good lip balm should have. Okay, let's start with my favorite part of the videos, which is the application, and I'm going to start with this beautiful brown shade. As you guys can see, it's called the Melty Moon. I've already clicked the applicator and removed some of it, so let's see how it applies. I love the shade, and I love how seamlessly it applied on my lips, as you guys saw. It does not really require a lot of product since it gives a very even and full coverage. This next shade is called the Cosmic Crush in the shade O2. Let's see how this one applies. I love the pigment in these balms, and these smell amazing by the way. This next shade is called Stardust in 04, and let's see how this applies. This shade is for the girls who love peach undertones. It translates very closely to the natural color of my lips, and this would be really great for your everyday wear. Next shade is called the Moonwalk in the shade 01, and as you guys can tell by now, this is inspired by the space and the Shooting Star series, and that's the quirky name for it. Let's apply. This shade looks so edible, and it's called the Hot Glaze. It literally looks like chocolate, and it's in the shade number 06. Let's apply. Can you guys see that shine? It's literally reflecting every speck of light that's falling on it, and it truly stands to the glass shine finish. This shade is called Choco Star, and it is from the same color of the brown palette. Let's see how this one applies. This is a very neutral shade that you can pair with a lot of nude lipsticks and colors. This next shade is called Polar Pink in the shade 08. It's a beautiful burgundy pink. Let's see this one. This shade that I reserved for the last, it's called Fireball in shade number 07, and this is for all you girlies who love a bold brick red color. Let's see how this one applies. This shade really does justice to its name Fireball because my looks look like they're on fire. But seriously, this is such a beautiful brick red, and you can pair it with all your browns and all your reds very seamlessly. Okay, now that you guys have all the information that you need on our brand new launch of our hyper hydrating gloss balm, what are you guys waiting for? Go get your hands on these now. I'll see you guys in the next video as promised. Bye.